Hello and welcome to the Palm Canyon video sweater class, The Reboot. I have been meaning to reboot this class and get it up on Patty Lyon's knitting school for quite some time, for a couple of very important reasons. One is the original yarn was discontinued, so that gave me the opportunity to reknit it in a couple of fabulous new yarns, and we're going to talk about those in the next video. Two is it gave me the opportunity to expand the size range. We had several requests for another size, one more size on either end. So we now have one size that's smaller than the original and one size that's larger than the original. So instead of 10 sizes, we have 12. But the other reason I really wanted to dig back into this video sweater class and film a whole bunch of new videos and create a whole bunch of new tutorials is this is the perfect sweater if you wanted to dip your toe into sweater knitting and you wanted something that was incredibly easy to customize. And when I say easy to customize, I'm not kidding around. I'm not talking about complex math at all. I'm talking about the simplicity of adding a few stitches here, taking away a few stitches here, changing some cast-ons here. Really, really simple. So I'm here to guide you every step of the way. On the school, you'll have a little speech bubble on the upper right-hand corner of every lesson. You just click that speech bubble, ask your question, and I'm there to guide you. So I will help you one-on-one customize your perfect sweater. The other thing about this sweater that's great for knitters that have either never knit a sweater or have only done maybe top-down raglan that they thought was going to be easiest, but actually it can be pretty complex because you have to both match the stitch and the row gauge and it ends up falling off your shoulders, is here if you want to dip your toe into seaming without the scariness of setting in a sleeve or picking up stitches. This is perfect. It is one bitty simple seam because this is an integrated sleeve sweater, meaning this whole thing all the way across is knit in one piece. So you have two pieces and you seam them together with one simple seam. So it's a great first sweater to experiment with fit, to experiment with seaming. Plus, you have so many options, you can end up with 20 different variations. So first option is which way do you wear it? So here I am in the V-neck, but I can turn that sweater around and have crew neck in the front and a little V-neck in the back, just for a little interest. And then we also have another fiber. So I'm going to show you the discontinued linen on me, and I'm going to show you in the sizing video a larger version of the newer linen. But let's take a look at the other fiber. So here I have the linen, and we're going to talk in the sizing video what size this is, because it's a different size that I knit for myself than the wool. And we have the V-neck in the front and the crew neck in the back, or crew neck in the front, V-neck in the back. So I can't wait to jump in and learn a ton with you. Next up, we're going to dig into what are the fiber properties of the linen blend versus the wool blend, and we're going to talk about size.